Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Microsoft Project and Notion, two platforms that help you manage projects but with very different approaches and use cases. Of course, I'll break down their features, user experience, integrations, and help you figure out which one fits your workflow better. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one is right for your team. First off, let's talk about what each platform is built for. Microsoft Project is designed for professional project managers who need to build structured project schedules, assign resources, manage dependencies, and track project timeliness. It's widely used in industries like construction, engineering, and enterprise operations where projects are complex and follow a strict plan. On the other hand, Notion is an all-in-one workspace built for flexibility. You can manage tasks, write notes, build databases, collaborate with teams, and create dashboards all in a single customizable interface. It's more popular with startups, content teams, educators, and creatives who want to blend structure and creativity. Now let's dive into the features. Microsoft Project offers robust planning tools like Gantt charts, task dependencies, resource allocation, critical path tracking, and project baselines. It's really built for precision. You can track time, analyze risks, and manage budgets with a high level of detail. It also connects with Microsoft Power BI for advanced reporting, but it's very focused on traditional project management and not much else. Notion, meanwhile, offers extreme flexibility. You can use it as a task manager, content hub, team wiki, or even a CRM if you set it up that way. Tasks can be displayed in Kanban boards, calendars, tables, or timelines, and you can link pages and databases together to create custom workflows. While it doesn't have native tools for resource management or budgeting, you can build out systems to track really almost anything. Next up, let's talk about user experience. Microsoft Project can feel a little tricky, especially if you're new to it. If you've used Excel or Outlook before, some things might seem familiar, but it does take some time to figure it out. It's really designed for professional project managers who are certified. On the other hand, Notion is clean, modern, and super easy to use. It's great for beginners and lets you set things up however you like. And you can use it for anything, whether it's a simple to-do list or a big project with multiple teams. In terms of integrations, Microsoft Project fits seamlessly into the Microsoft ecosystem. It connects well with Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, and Power Platform tools like Power Automate and Power BI. That's a huge plus if your company already runs on Microsoft 365. Notion also has a growing list of integrations through Notion API and third-party tools. It plays well with Slack, Google, Calendar, GitHub, and Zapier, and its new buttons and automation features make workflows even more efficient. So which one should you choose? If your projects are highly structured, long-term, and require careful scheduling and budgeting, Microsoft Project is the better choice. It's built for project managers who need complete control. But if you want something that's collaborative, customizable, and useful for both tasks and knowledge management, Notion is a fantastic pick. It's flexible, fun to use, and fits into just about any workflow. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.